Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the MindCuber. The MindCuber is just a robot that can solve the Rubik's Cube. If you didn't know, the Rubik's Cube is a very well-known puzzle. It is really not that difficult to solve when you know how to solve it with some algorithms and all that. But if you don't want to do it and you have the MindStorm's robot Inventor set, well, you're all set because you can actually make a robot and can solve it for you. So that's what we're going to show you today. With that said, let's start right now. Putting the cube inside and running this. It's going to reset everything. It tells us to put the cube inside. It's just doing it 2 times. Sometimes it happens. Okay, it's solving. It solved it! Now that is the robot's skills. You can see it is completely solved. No errors. It's gotta be a very good scanner, and yeah. That's pretty much it for today. And yeah. Maybe I'll tell you some more stuff about Lego MindStorms. But with that said, bye. See you next time.